The recent notification from the Office of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District on plying of public transport as per the odd and even mode had greatly irked the taxi drivers, compelling them to agitate against the state government. On Thursday, the cab drivers under the umbrella of the East Khasi Hills Taxi Drivers Association under the leadership of its president Wandonbok Jarwa had gathered near the Civil Hospital Point, Shillong to protest against the order of the DC East Khasi Hills related to the plying of odd and even number of vehicles in specific areas under Shillong city. A delegation of the association had also met the concerned authority for a discussion on the notification, as this has affected their livelihood. Later on their return from the discussion, the president of the association announced that the particular notification had been recalled and that the cab drivers could once again go about their activities without restrictions as to the registration number of vehicles that are to ply on specific days.
Aman gikam sisen he bagian ni kibarit pinang ya keren mo entah ya keren gak jaga cing keren belum ta ini tak ngihap yang beng ni bay
3 keren 3 putar ni
belum nak ngim tam jordi pangin ile abi bala dak kim pelai kemut ngim je beng ni bay to kan nga
Indian kudisi kat tayu ni surok ni tang ni Indian ha gejing e jungi badan ni berada batak singi syok singin asgi ni lagi di batak singi bablam step pandemi tu ba dekai ingin sakun ban
atau bidawa ba mentah terekam odd event penban lagi private ni aku belum
em ngenem dawa soiki ngenem dawa iki ke odd event sampai private ni keren san Hong Kong pelaj yengi pelaj iki lokal taksi namar di lokal taksi jungi kat kum ka permit jungi kala ben kari barok awe ke silok istoki is kasil kat kum ka permit dak kum dong blok tang itu ndiat pan ha daki anu entri ndiat at least daki anu entri tang itu iba icakai ba ndiat kumak ke silong rabor tang dayak beriu tang lecia ku gede jinjia macam halasmia ki anu entri halasmia minum juang de bar taksi ha daki blok kan san mentaki anu entri kan san hapo kolong senam sekarang badri de hapo utit kolong senam jungi na ing bela
Rotkat pura nak kalian ngejungi hi keseng lawan menikendo ya ka Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District highway day bar kene kecingja ka masujas sendat mo jarang khat pros kata naduk sitrek bakal ayo tu ko order ka krem nolong no ka krem pentrekam ya katakan teh ndrei kensan menta ke step da kala pentrekam ini ka an krem ka jing teplut jong barok tem dei ta te ka penlengo ya phi wei pu wei rotkat jungi ba phin hab ya yang kum ni kroi ta ka ba ngikham penbor nak liang jungim keseng ta ka dei ka ningkong ka baar ba kolong te ka ba ngi menta nginyelong telilang ka wei ba ka jinge kran jungi menta ba ka DC kolong baik ba ailat ngi ailat ya ka DC ba ka nyesong meeting menta sau baje ba ko ngi hapo ya ka nyau le ne pra baje kan sai ka kubor ka ba la ka banlong ka ba snowsi la ne la banlong ka ba bha la dei ka ba bha ya ka mai stok man sim na do la sai Henry la ka dei pa ka ba sneu nin sa isang isi kerki na kaliang kajungi mentah hiru kajan met ba kumno ngin simpat na kawai kesenjam highway day ba kene ko order